Hey there, Pimple Popper fans! If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.